Hello. Okay, now if we are seeing this video, you have seen all of my 3 to 4 older videos. I'm Sushmita Bhatt. I am here to teach the basic of Git, version control, how you're doing, what we do in companies, giving the insight of that. Okay, if you are new to this video, please go through my previous videos. I have just shown you how to create a new repository, how to clone it in your Visual Studio Code, how to push back to GitHub repositories. These small things I have shown you. So what is for today then? Excited or no? Are you just comment it down? Okay. I am excited to teach, okay? I'm excited to share my knowledge. Sorry, not I'm not a big thing or something, okay? So now what we do in companies, what we happen now, you're not the alone person to work in one repository, in a project. There are many people working together simultaneously. So if I am working and if just imagine there is one more person, we both are working on the same file, okay, he has changed something, and even if I change in the same page, we will get merge conflicts. Common, right? Like even I say something, if other people say something, we get some conflicts. Right, same thing happens here also. As I am only the one person in this trial thing, what I'm showing, I'll just show you. I'll change something in GitHub, and I'll change something in my Visual Studio Code local, where I am not pulling it or something, and we will see the merge conflict there. Okay, shall we create the merge conflict? Our first merge conflict, how will it be? Actually, in companies, no merge conflicts are like, oh god, why did it come? Like, so many things to change. First, we need to, we keep dragging, before the other person, we need to push our code. These things happen, eh? You need to know about this merge conflict, okay? Fine. Now, we'll go to this text and create new commit, okay? I am the fourth commit. Such a boring project I'm running. That's okay. See, this is just to show. This is not my coding skill or something. I'll just make some other playlist or something to show my or to share my coding skill, like those other things I'm planning. But here, let's go with the basic thing, right? Like, I don't want to mix everything together. We'll just see the commit things, okay? Don't get mad, like, what? Why is she's writing only these things? So, we'll just commit it, okay? Update trial. I've added this command to create merge conflict. Okay, don't ever write such things in your laptop or in your company, like, I have created this to create a merge conflict. Oh god. Okay, I'm just here to show you. Okay, we'll just get serious back now. Okay, see, this is there. Okay, now what we do in your Visual Studio Code, okay, see, we have not taken pull of that. See, this our Git local repository doesn't have the fourth commit. Understood? It is in GitHub. This local one, we get that fourth commit only if we pull that. Okay, now we have not done anything. Okay, this is just the old push we have done. We'll just clear it out. Okay, now what we do in the same fourth line, I am the fourth commit from local Visual Studio Code. Okay, how to write Visual Studio Code. Okay, see, that fourth commit didn't have this local Visual Studio Code. Read it carefully because I'm going to show you something. Here it is just I am the fourth commit. Okay, or else we will change this. Okay, I am the fourth commit from GitHub. Okay, there should be no confusion. See, I'm going to show something here. Okay, Okay. See, this is important. Okay, this local Visual Studio Code. Okay, now what you do, you just do git status. Okay, so we need to add it. Git add dot. Now we do git status. First I'll clear it out. You can see it properly. Git status. Okay, we'll just clear it out. Why didn't it come? See, this is a white mark. I've not saved it. Okay, that is the reason. Oh God. See, now it came. This is very important. You need to keep saving, or else that doesn't reflect in your status. Okay, you need to save and then come here. Okay, that's the reason. See, you will encounter all these things. Don't panic. Just the basic thing you follow. Okay. We have done this. We have done that. Okay. Now what we do? I'll show you the newer commands. Okay. This is important. Okay. I've documented this. I had said about git stash in the last video, right? See, git stash just stores your present commit, whatever you worked, somewhere else in a box. Okay, think like in a box something. It will just take off and put it here. And when you do git pull, you'll get a fresh code. And then you need to push it back to that one. But how will you do? Git stash apply. If you do git stash apply, you will get back your, see, git stash apply. Okay, first we need to do git stash. Okay, then pull it from GitHub. What all others have done, no, that you will get. Then you need to do git stash apply. You need to apply whatever you have coded back to that. Okay, this is how we work. We change something, we stash it, we take all others code, because that is also required, right? So we take all others code and then we apply git stash. Okay, some merge conflicts will come, we'll resolve it and then show it. Okay, now we will do it. Okay, ready to get our first merge conflict? That's curiosity. Okay, so now we will do, what did we do? Clear git status only. Git stash. We'll just copy this. Are there any stash? Okay, we'll follow these commands. Okay, git stash. Because later you say you documented something, you're showing something. No, it should not be that confusion, right? See, when I do git stash, this line will go. Okay, see it carefully. See, this line went. Where did it go? I said you, when you do git stash, it is storing somewhere your code. Okay, it's not gone forever. It is in your git repo. See, git is so strong. But that's why I said no, git and GitHub together is like wonderful thing. See, git is storing your old code. It's everything stored there. Now what we do, see carefully. Git pull, when you do, whatever you have done here at GitHub, like if whatever commits are there, you will get here. Okay? See, talk is cheap. We'll show the code. Okay, git pull. Did you see this? You got the fourth commit from GitHub. This one we had applied this commit from GitHub. Okay, that means like somebody else have committed this code. You have taken others code also in your local system. Okay, great, right? See? Okay, I'm talking so much about merge conflict and I'm not getting merge conflict. Now you'll get the merge conflict. Okay, so now after git stash you have done git pull, you will do git stash apply. Okay, you need to put from your code back from this box to your back to GitHub, right? Wow, how long will you hold? Okay, git stash apply. Now we will get a conflict. Okay, here we will get a conflict because in the same line we have added them both. We'll see. Come. Okay, we'll just show. Yay! We got our first merge conflict. Did you see this? Did you see this? See, in we have created this GitHub fourth commit. In the same line, we have added this also. So that is the commit. See, resolve merge editor. See, you can add all except you can change accept all changes from left also. You can change all from right also. Anything is fine. This is right. This is left. This is right. Okay. We will take this. We'll accept. Why should we? Okay. I think, see, it's not like that every time, like mine is every time correct or his is every time correct. Sometimes we need both. Like this also, that also, we need both. Okay. Fine. Now we will take this one. Sometimes we feel our code is slightly better than the older somebody else's code, or sometimes even for the space, right? It gives merge conflict. So now I'm showing you the what we are doing here. Local Studio Code. Okay. See now. See that GitHub commit message, that commit this was there, no, that has gone. We have put our line inside this. Okay. It is not every time, it is not like this that our code is always right, so we have to put. No, I'm just showing you here like we can do like this. Or else many of the times we take both the codes and join. It is just in that line what it has to be. In both the lines we can add it, right? So see, it's no like even theirs can be true, even ours can be true. These conflicts keep coming. We need to decide which we need. Okay. Now we have decided our local Visual Studio Code will keep. Okay. So now again what to do? Clear it out. Sorry, I did clear. Oh God. Okay. Clear. Now did I save it? Yes, status. See, I modified this. Okay, clear get commit -m. What did we do? We resolved the merge conflict. Are you happy? What do you feel seeing all this? Okay. See, then do get, wait. Now until this, see, I'll just show you. It is, inside it is still, I am fourth commit from GitHub. GitHub is not changed. We have done all this in our local Git. This all changes is in local only. Now we are pushing from local to GitHub. Okay. Now this will change to I am the fourth commit from local Visual Studio Code. See, this happens. I'm not changing. I'm changing it from here. Git push. Okay, done. What to do? Refresh. See, I said you. I am the fourth commit from local Visual Studio Code. The fourth line is changed. Are you happy? Are you excited? What do you feel? I know many people are like, I knew this, I know this. It's all, oh, what are you teaching? There are many new people who don't know. I'm saying you, this is like, even I was new to IT long years before and I didn't know all these things, very small, minute things. I learned all this, few of them by myself. Like, that time this ChatGPT was not there, this not there. It was difficult for us, no. That's the reason I did this. I plan to do this playlist. Okay, see, this is how you resolve a merge conflict. See, neither it is Git or GitLab or something. No, process is similar. However, you do this. No, how do you get the merge list? How do you resolve it? These all are same. Process is similar. You might get the change of names or something. That might be different. Okay, what did we learn today? Merge conflict. How did we create merge conflict? How did we resolve the merge conflict? How do we do that? Instead of like whenever we do, before pushing it to the our project, we need to put our code to a stash. We need to keep separately. We need to pull our code like from we need to take all other codes which is there inside, freshly new piece of code we need to take. Then we need to apply our stash back, git stash apply. See, I'm spelling all the codes, like you need to you might think this is silly, but you will get to know that names. Yeah, I have heard it somewhere. At least this thing you'll get to know. No? Okay, then after git stash apply, git push. Okay, so when you push it, you'll get it. So in our history, we have got everything now. See, resolve merge conflict. Done. Okay, that's all for today. We have seen the merge conflict, we have resolved the merge conflict, we have done many things, right? In next video, I'm just planning to do how to create a new branch, and then from that branch, how do you do this and how you merge back to that. Those things I'll teach you. Okay, and there is one more important video I need to create. How do you create an issue? Those things are like basic things. How do you work in an environment? Okay, I'll just plan to make a video on it. Okay, that's all for today. So next time when that's like, take it like a homework or assignment. Create a clone a repo, create this, and create a produce a merge conflict, resolve it. You'll be happy doing all these things. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.